Another day, another story. Hey there, my amazing subscribers. Welcome to Tipster TV, a brand new YouTube channel. I am beyond thrilled to have each and every one of you here, joining me on this incredible journey. In today's first video, I want to take a few minutes to introduce myself and give you a sneak peek into what you can expect from this channel. First things first, my name is Tipster TV, and I am so stoked to be here connecting with all of you. I'm new to the world of vlogging and dream to become a newbie content creator, but starting today that dream come true and this new channel is born. I have always been passionate about vlogging, about sharing tips and beyond, and this channel is the perfect platform for me to share my expertise, creativity, and inspiration with you all. Now, let's dive into what this channel is all about. Section 1, A World of Creativity. In this section, I will be unleashing my creative side and bringing it to life on your screens. From DIY projects to art tutorials, I will be exploring various creative endeavors and taking you along for the ride. Get ready to be amazed by the endless possibilities of imagination and innovation. Together, we will unlock a world of creativity. Section 2, Uncovering Hidden Gems. Are you ready to embark on exciting adventures with me? In Section 2, we will be exploring hidden gems from around the world. Whether it's a charming cafe tucked away in an alley or a breathtaking natural wonder hidden in plain sight, we will uncover these hidden treasures together. Get ready to be inspired and add new adventure on your life. Section 3, Inspiring Stories and Personal Growth. Finally, in Section 3, we will delve into the power of personal growth and inspiring stories. I believe that each of us has a unique journey to share, and through the stories of incredible individuals, we can find motivation, inspiration, and valuable life lessons. Join me on this transformative quest as we discover the untold stories that have the potential to change our lives for the better.